Hey, are you ready for some hunting on the Tommy Wilcox Show?
Tommy Wilcox Outdoors is brought to you by Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money. Louisiana Farmers Warehouse. Go by and see my good friend Darryl Foray pick you up a Mahindra tractor or one of his top leading mowers. Tuscaloosa Toyota. One price, one place. Glencoe Equipment. If you're in the Gonzales, Louisiana area, go by and see my good friend Todd Jerby. He has multiple tractors to pick from, as does mowers. Top Shot Deer and Turkey Mix by Faithway Alliance. Artec Tractor and Equipment in Nauvoo, Alabama. Greg can handle all your tractor needs of any brand, along with some of the finest mowers in the industry. Nelson Glass for all your contract and residential glass needs. Music courtesy of country icon Hank Williams Jr. Hey folks, welcome to today's show. Listen, this is going to be part 2 of our redfish and speckled trout fishing with Lloyd Landry in Louisiana, Outcast Fishing Charters. I've got my good friends from Artec Tractor and Equipment. We tore them up last week. We decided to make a part 2 because we had so much footage. So without further delay, here's some more fishing in Louisiana. Check out the fun.
I don't know how long. Yeah, you just want, they got soft mouths, so you just want to swing him over the side kind of quick. Missed one, I missed 2, I got it. There you go. The boys are wearing them out in the front, wearing them out in the back. Three at a time now, boys. We made the right move. You want me to get him? I gotta unhook him anyway and put him in a net. You just soon pass him to me. Look, let it down. There you go. There you go. Nice job. Oh, Lord. Get it? Yes. Just the stinky, funky man. Oh. A nice fish. They all cooked about the same size. 16-inch fish. That'll definitely get you some fillets quick, huh, boys? I think I even see y'all smiling now. There you go.
Whoa, that's a good one, man.
That is a beautiful fish, man.
You might need a picture of that. Yeah,
You don't want to go in those gills. There you go. Whoop. Put you another bait on, partner. This one's.
oh. Lloyd.
Ain't playing. What's up, little dude? See your cousins over here. Let's make sure. I'm gonna make the net this time.
Come on, boy. Oh. You ain't gonna
Beautiful. Ain't nothing but air and opportunity. Just like an air and opportunity for that trout. Opportunity to get up in our net. I might have put 2 of them down there because I threw my partner's fish back on accident. Here, Jackson, this is yours, buddy. Giving you your fish back. If I can pick him up. That messed up.
Doing his job.
Yeah, it's tangled. I don't know why it keeps tangling.
If there's a new mower in your future, you really need to visit the folks at Artec Tractor in Jasper. With brands like Bobcat, Cub Cadet, Gravely, Spartan, and Toro, they can help you find the mower to fit your needs. They also have a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook, or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Faithway Alliance has been blending Top Shot deer and turkey mix since 2009 in Gunnersville, Alabama. Top Shot plot mixes provide deer and turkeys a high quality, nutritional forage for both winter and spring months. All Top Shot blends are coated with Accelagro to promote healthy seed growth and increase your crop yields. Please contact your local ag retailer or call Faithway Alliance for all your Top Shot needs.
Hello, I'm Patrick Hall, owner and operator of Hall's Feed and Seed, located in downtown Mountville. This location is under new ownership, yet we still have over 100 years of experience under our roof. Here at Hall's, we strive to serve our customers and community for all your home, garden, farm, and recreational needs. We offer a variety of products from pet foods to highway blends to deer mixes. Come by and see us at Hall's Feed and Seed.
Y'all come see us at Hall's Feed and Seed.
Hey, this is Hank Williams Jr. I can skin a buck, I can run a trot line. When you go to the woods, bring your game face.
Game Face calls. To find out more about these new and exciting products, go to GameFaceCalls.com, TommyWilcox.com, or check your local retailer.
Fan cast all around, and hopefully them big fat choppers are hanging out right here. Yeah, I mean, you'll catch some big bull reds because we're right here on the edge of the Gulf. So, and they'll be in here trying to eat those trout that we would catch. So, anywhere around. Let's go. Open, huh, partner? Now, here's the crazy thing. Out there, that little white thin line along the coast, that's fog. Yes. That is nice. Little secret spot, Fish Bayou. This is one of the biggest community holes on the coast. There you go. There's a bull red. There's a bull red. All right.
You got to keep your pole up.
You're all right.
Don't give it slack, guys.
Woo! Dad's been working out. Got them guns. We just gotta watch him by them poles, but you ought to be all right. Get him in about 4:30. Being a smart aleck, I just want to make sure he don't go to that pile.
Wrap around
Going to that pile. Don't go to that pile. Is he going to that pile? No, he's not. All right.
up high, man.
You all right? That's big.
Daddy gonna need to take a little break there after this. See that boat in a minute. He's fixing to take off.
I'm sorry, I got you standing in the water. The bag is supposed to be in that hole.
I'm trying to get him around here.
All right, well look, boys, if y'all want, y'all go to the back. Y'all can cast that way. Cast back out that way. Dad's up here in the front. Getting skull drugged by the old bull red.
There he comes.
It's always good for the boss man to get the big daddy.
Got it?
That was nice of you boys to let your daddy catch up.
Yeah, I seen it. I wanted to say.
Oh, that's a good one. Let's get him in the net there, baby.
Man, he's got a bunch of spots on him too. He's beautiful. Come on, partner, turn your head this way. Oh, I got him.
Oh, man.
That is a stud there, cuz. Yeah.
All right, so you gotta hold that thing up like that.
You think he'll be able to?
Yeah.
I can't. He's kicking my butt right now. Right where I want to grab him, he's got the hook.
Wow.
All right, I need those. Yes, sir, right there. Thank you. That's why you don't stick your fingers in his mouth. You saw him just chomp down on me? All right. All right, Daddy-o. Which hand's your strongest?
Neither.
Neither.
Both.
Definitely have to grab him with two.
Yeah, you want him on the right hand or left?
Lord, if you can
You
stay in
want
there
your right?
with him now.
Yeah, I think
It don't matter which one you want. No, right where my hand is. Right where my left hand is. Your left hand where my hand. Oh, you went in the gills. Don't go in the gills.
Left hand.
All right, yeah, you go. You want to stay. There you go. And then turn that hand the other way. There you go. Come side. You got it? He ain't no slouch there. Come on, old girl. During the summer, they're a lot harder to revive. See her pectoral fins and all moving? Her tail's flexing? She's all right. She's gonna swim off there in a second. I can feel her tail. Her tail is like pulsing. And like during the spring and the summer, this is such a community hole. Man, you have 20 boats right here. Yeah, everybody will be like fighting over positions, and then it's always amazing. There'll be one guy, like there'll be 3 or 4 boats kind of sitting here with their trolling motors on spot lock or on anchor, and one dude will run right through the middle of everyone. It's like, really? Oh, special trout. Oh, special trout. Nice. Boys, I'm tempted to take your corks off, but you catch a bull easier with the cork. Y'all got that 5-gallon bucket covered. There you go, buddy. Swing him on in. Can't beat that. All the trout on the floor. It's a nice when you know you're catching them good. Put them on the floor. Sweep the floor. Those trout are sitting on the bottom right here because the current's so strong. Bull reds just kind of keep your rod tip up and work the bait back kind of slow, bouncing the tip of your rod just a little bit. All right, take you out of time out, give you a jig head. But it's up to you if you all right. fish are waiting for the move to the inside, but hey, I'm glad they're out here because I'm gonna keep coming and get them for the next 14 days or 12 days. Bam! Nice try.
All right, we're gonna take a quick commercial break from South Louisiana with Lloyd Landry. Y'all stay with us. We'll be right back. Catching specks.
Oh, Wilcox putting it on them. You boys better take note.
You young boys, I'm coming to get you. Oh, Lloyd Landry, 504-912-8291. Come get you some of that.
All he had to do is tell him to be a bass fisherman, boy. Act like you're catching them green trout. There you go. Can't unhook them any better than that. Hey, Junior, you might want to help us if you don't mind. Your partner said he'll let you reel one in. Straight back here first thing in the morning. That's not 6 foot, but hey, I'll just pick it on. I got hungry. Yep. They thick as thieves down on that bottom. All right. You want the bait caster?
Another trout with Lloyd Landry, Outcast Fishing Charters. Y'all need to come down and get you some of that.
That's good. Bring him on the side quick as you can. That's all right. You're going to make my life easy. We ain't letting no fillets get away. All right. Jack, you get There we go. This is the fish Jackson just missed. I wanted to show you. That's him. Old Action Jackson missed him, so I came back. I batted clean up. We got another one on the floor over here. 2 of them. I got one buddy, he's won some real money. He's the smallest one we caught here, but he's... Yeah. There you go, swing him on in here. That's a good trout. There you go. All right. There you go. All right. All right, boys, we only need 100 more. Good thing we just got out here 6 minutes ago. Woo. They're not big today, but we're gonna take them. Male trout, he's grunting. They all came out the same cookie cutter, 12 1/4 inches. But they all fit in the same Ziploc bag all together. We don't discriminate. I got one buddy, he's won some real money. He's the smallest one we caught here, but he's actually Jonathan.
Wouldn't it be nice If you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up, you can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Looking for complete and cost-effective container solutions? Container Reconditioners LLC is the best in the business. We are a full-service container management and supply company, specializing in metal, plastic, drums, and IBCs. We service Florida, Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, and Tennessee. All our containers are sterilized and sanitized and leak-tested at 200 degrees for 7 minutes. Not to mention, we have a $5 million pollution product liability insurance cover. We guarantee you quality and great service.
Over the past decade, car shopping has changed more than anyone would have imagined. That's why with our customers' input, Tuscaloosa Toyota developed One Price, One Place. How does it work? We give you our lowest price first. It's posted in the window of every car or just 2 clicks away at TuscaloosaToyota.com. It's the simplest, most hassle-free way to buy. One price, one place, only at Tuscaloosa Toyota and TuscaloosaToyota.com.
For over 20 years, people have trusted Artec Tractor for their tractor or construction equipment needs. With brands like Bobcat, Mahindra, and Massey Ferguson, Artec Tractor can help you find the right solution for your farm or the job site. Artec Tractor has a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
You might want to get out of here.
Right? This is big fish come out. Look at that little RFP,
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you seen that net? Ooh, he's fighting, boy. Come on, dog.
You already got tired.
What you think about that, Garrett?
Yeah, they like to fight a little bit.
Oop, my bad. I can cut him up. He ain't too big. That way you can have your redfish for the grill.
I did not want to get caught.
You playing me? All right, let's see.
Really.
Where's my little... All right.
All right, Dad, come real close. Like really close. Let me put it. Yeah. I need to put it like right under the camera.
Nice. He'll go on the...
All right, partner. Chunk him on in there. We'll put the old knife on him.
Whew.
All right, folks, that's going to do it for this week's show. Thanks so much for tuning in for our fishing trip from Louisiana. I want to thank Lloyd Landry and all you do, man, at Outcast Fishing Charters. I do want to thank Greg, Al Britton, and all the fine people at Artec. We appreciate all y'all, the financing y'all do through the Alabama Credit Union. And as always, we always have a lot of fun, man. Can't wait to see you either on the water or in the woods again. All right, folks, that's going to do it. Hope to see you here next week on Tommy Wilcox Outdoors.
Gassed up, loaded down, trucking on from town to town. Guns, bows, and a tackle box. Here come Tommy Wilcox. Hitting the water, hitting the woods. That Bama boy sure got it good. Always having too much fun. Lordy, don't y'all want